Good evening. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is the level of perfection. Ladies and gentlemen, there are two methods of achieving the level of perfection. Number one is acquiring the ability, and number two is practicing the ability. Acquiring the ability and practicing the ability. Whatever you want to learn in your life, first of all, try to find out that what is the best source of it. From what place you can learn that particular skill. You can gain that particular knowledge. Everybody has got a particular aim in his or her life. And depending on that, you search for a specific kind of courses, a specific kind of degrees and diplomas. That is fine, you must do it. But first of all, you must try to understand that what you exactly want to acquire. Once you have decided that what you exactly want to acquire, then start understanding that from what sources you can gain that knowledge. Once you have identified the sources, start pursuing those courses. And when you have started pursuing those courses, merely pursuing the courses is not important. You must keep practicing consistently. For example, if you want to acquire perfection in spoken English, try to find out that what are the best methods of achieving success in spoken English. And once you are aware of those methods, keep practicing those methods. Same is the case with any other subject. You want to acquire perfection over mathematics, try to find out that what you need to study in order to achieve perfection in mathematics. And once you have come to know that particular source, start practicing it day by day. So, knowing the source and then practicing. Two things are specially necessary for achieving any kind of success in life related to any field in which you want to make your future. Try to identify what you want to do in your life. Try to pursue the courses which are necessary, by the help of which you can get the desired position, and then keep practicing. Acquiring the knowledge and then practicing the knowledge. These are the two stages of becoming successful in life, ladies and gentlemen. And I am giving you basic examples of life. For example, if you want to achieve success in spoken English, which is a major problem here in India, people, they are often fearful going to stage and speaking in front of public. This is the major problem in most of the professions in this country. Now, how do you change this scenario? In order to change this scenario, first of all, you need to acquire perfection over spoken English. What you need to do for that? For that, you need to enhance your vocabulary. You must understand that what different types of English words are used to specify different types of real life situations. In order to do so, you must read English newspaper daily. You must read English motivational books daily so that you can understand that what specific words are used to explain a particular real life situation in English perfectly. Then, once you are well aware of vocabulary of a language, then comes your listening skills. Try to listen to English motivational speakers on YouTube. Try to listen to English news channels. News channels plus news channels on YouTube also, because YouTube has become the prominent method of gaining any kind of knowledge related to any type of field that you like. Try to gain that knowledge from YouTube. Try to improve your listening skills. And then comes the speaking part. And the major problem here in India related to English speaking is that we do not find partners in real life to whom we can speak English consistently, because India is majorly a Hindi speaking nation, ladies and gentlemen. So wherever we are working, whatever place that may be, as long as we are involved in doing some kind of official task, we are doing that task in English. We are writing mails in English. We are writing letters in English. And sometimes we are talking in English also, but only in specific official situations, participating in meeting, giving some presentation, participating in some seminar. So as long as that particular course of action is happening, we are speaking English. Otherwise, we are speaking our regional language or we are speaking Hindi. So this is the case here in India. And this is the reason that why people are not finding consistent opportunities to speak to speak English. And there is a solution of it, ladies and gentlemen. If you are not finding something outside, try to create that inside. Try to create that situation inside your home. Practice English speaking at your home. Stand in front of mirror and start speaking. Learn some text in English, stand in front of mirror and start speaking. Follow this practice every day and very soon you will become perfect in spoken English. Why? Because when you look into your mirror image and speak something in English, it gives you the same impression as if you are talking to some other person. So if you follow this practice on daily basis, one day you will become perfect in spoken English, and moreover, you will become confident in speaking English in front of strangers. And this is the ability that we want to develop actually. The confidence of speaking English perfectly in front of strangers. Your mirror image acts as a second person for you. So if you follow this activity on daily basis, very soon you will acquire perfection over spoken English. And the most crucial thing is, whenever you are speaking something in front of mirror, record your voice. And if possible, record your video also. Record your voice, record your video. And once you have finished speaking, listen to that audio, watch that video. By listening to your own voice, by watching your own video, you will come to know that what are the flaws in your spoken words and your video. When you analyze yourself, you try to analyze your flaws also. And when you will come to know about your flaws, you will try all the necessary methods to remove those flaws. That's why recording your voice and listening to it is very essential. Recording your video and watching your own video is also essential. Follow this activity, and if you follow this activity consistently for 6 to 7 days, definitely you will become perfect in spoken English the 8th day or the 9th day. Ladies and gentlemen, research has proven this thing, that in order to acquire perfection over something, you need a certain period of time. And according to great philosophers, great researchers, the perfect time is 7 days. The perfect time is 7 days. Some scholars also say that the perfect timing for acquiring an ability is 30 days. Of course, they are also true. They are also speaking the truth. 30-day time is the best time. You need at least 30 days to acquire perfection over a particular thing. But in this modern era, when you are already overburdened with your official task, when you are already overburdened with your departmental task, and you are finding very less time to look after other crucial things like improving your spoken English, we can manage it on our own, ladies and gentlemen. We can manage it on our own. Reduce these 30 days to 15 days or 7 days. Be consistent. I must say that if you are consistently practicing speaking English for 7 days without any break, I promise you, the 8th day you will definitely become a successful English speaker. 30-day time is necessary, ladies and gentlemen. I am again repeating this statement that 30-day time is 100% essential to acquire a new ability. But here you are not acquiring a new ability. I must say this. Here you are not acquiring a new ability. You already know what is English. You already know the grammatical structure of the English. You already understand when people speak in English in front of you. But the point here is you are less confident when you are speaking English yourself. You know English perfectly. I must say this. You know English perfectly, but you are not having confidence of speaking in front of public. This is the only problem. So you don't have to read this entire subject English from the beginning. You already know it, you are perfect in it, you are able to understand the grammatical structure, you are able to understand the stories that are written in English, you are able to understand the poetry that is written in English, you are easily able to understand the newspaper in English. So what is the problem? The problem is only in speaking. That's why I must say that you are working in some office, there are certain responsibilities, 30-day time is very big. Reduce it to 7 days because you are already aware of grammatical structure of the language. You only require perfection in the spoken form. Reduce it to 7 days. Practice English speaking consistently for 7 days, ladies and gentlemen, and I promise you, the 8th day you will be the most immaculate speaker of English. That is my promise to you. I request all of you to follow this 7 days pattern consistently without any break. And as I have promised, definitely the 8th day you will acquire perfection over spoken English and you will speak like a native English speaker. That is my promise to you. So please follow this activity. This is for your benefit because in modern time, English speaking is the prime requirement of any profession. If you want to establish yourself successfully in any profession, you should be a good English speaker. So follow this 1 week practice, ladies and gentlemen, and check the good change in your personality, the desired change in your personality. Friends, that's all for today. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.